Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds VIVO TWS 3E from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button, Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to totally remove your earbuds from your phone, you need to select Forget this device, because with Disconnect we just stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list. So disconnect, and as you can see, we stop Bluetooth connection, but still have it as device list, and if I want to, I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!